In this video, I'll show you how to install ComfyUI in two methods. One is that how you can install if you have a good laptop, and second method is how you can install ComfyUI even if you don't have a powerful laptop. Now, if you want to install ComfyUI on your laptop, there are one important requirement. Your laptop need to have an NVIDIA GPU. Without that, it won't run smoothly on your machine. If you don't have one, no worries. I'll show you up the cloud method right after this. So the first thing you need to do is go to GitHub page. The link is in the description below. This is not an official ComfyUI page, but it is a very popular and trusted version that makes installation much easier. Inside this, there are packages like Python, the original ComfyUI software. If you are installing an official page, then you have to install all this manually. And it is not portable also. One great thing about this version is that it is portable, which means everything installs into a single folder. If you ever want to move it into another laptop, you can just copy that folder, simple as that. Now, depending on your operating system, you will click the right option. If you're a Windows, click on Windows option. If you're on a Mac, click on Mac option. If you're on a Linux, click on this option. Before you start, please read this important notes carefully. Let me explain you one by one quickly so you don't miss anything. Do not run the installer as an administrator. I'll show you right way to do it. Just follow along. Number 2, make sure your NVIDIA drivers are up to date. This is important for everything to work properly. Number 3, avoid spaces and special characters in the folder name. Just name it something simple like ComfyUI. No spaces, no symbols. Number 4, do not install it inside system folders like program files, Windows, or any root system folders. Create a fresh, simple folder somewhere like your desktop or a D drive and install it there. If you're confused with any of the points, just follow how I do it. Then you will be able to easily do it. Alright, since I'm on Windows, I'll check Windows option. You can see the files have started downloading. Once the download is done, select extract all. When you extract it, you will see two folders inside it. Double click on the first folder. Now a warning message may appear. This is completely safe. Many people use this and I have installed on my other laptop too, so don't worry about it. Go ahead and click run. The installation will now begin. If you don't have a GitHub installed, it will ask you. You can just press yes and it will handle it automatically. If you already have GitHub, it will directly start downloading the required files. This may take around 5 minutes depending on your internet speed. So you can step away and come back. You will know the installation is complete when you see a message that says done along with the total running time. Once you see that, press any key to exit. After installation, you will see so many new files and you will also see a folder name called Start ComfyUI. That's your launcher. Just double click on that and ComfyUI will open. You can start your first workflow. The first time you open it, it might be little slow because it's downloading a few models, but from the second time onwards, it is much faster. Once everything loads, ComfyUI will open right in your browser and you will know it's running locally on your machine. Now let's get to the part 2 of installing ComfyUI on Jarvis Lab. This is a cloud method. Now, if you don't have a powerful enough laptop, no problem at all. This is where Jarvis Labs comes in. There are other cloud platforms like Jarvis Lab. Jarvis Lab is a cloud platform where you can rent a powerful GPU for few hours and run ComfyUI without needing any special hardware on your end. Go to jarvislabs.ai and create an account. I'll give this link also in the description. Signing in is very simple. You can just use your Google account. Once you're signed in, go to your dashboard. You will be able to see your current balance on the top. If you need to add money, go to setting, then click on recharge. The minimum recharge is 500 rupees. You can add your card details and pay. It's just like a shopping online. Now, once you're on your dashboard, click on templates. You will see the list of ready to use templates. Look for ComfyUI and click on it. A configuration panel will appear. Here what I am seeing. GPU type, I'll choose L4 which costs 35 rupees per hour. Number of GPUs, I'll choose 1. On demand, this means it is not permanent. You can start it when you needed it and stop when you're done. For storage, the current setting is fine for beginners like 100 GB. Once you start doing more advanced workflows with bigger models, you can upgrade. Now click launch instance. Once it starts, You can give it a name. I'll call it first workflow. Very important things to understand here. Jarvis Lab charges you per hour as long as your instance is in the running status. Even if you're not actively using it, it will keep charging you. So whenever you take a break or you're done for a day, make sure you pause the instance. To pause, just click the pause button. The status will change to pause and billing will stop. When you're ready to use it again, just click resume. Once your instance is running, click on API. Then click on the link that appears. A new tab will open and that's your ComfyUI interface running in the cloud. Sometimes you might see an error when it first opens. Don't panic, just refresh and page will load properly. So basically these are the two methods where you can use ComfyUI.